welcome back to our channel.
Today we have the assistance from Sunny and Eggie and their beautiful manicured hands.
Today we're gonna make a no-bake strawberry cream cake.
And it's very simple. And here's the ingredients.
You're gonna need some milk,
Some graham crackers,
Cool Whip,
Some cheesecake flavored pudding.
and
Strawberries! You're
strawberries!
gonna need a 9x13 cake dish.
And some spatulas. You'll need a cutting board.
and something to slice your strawberries with.
First step is to slice your strawberries. You could also ask your parent to slice your strawberries.
Here's a joke for you. What do you call strawberries playing the guitar?
I don't know, what do you call them?
A jam session. There's some other jokes. Tell me, start.
Why can't you eat strawberries with fingers? I don't know.
Why?
Because strawberries don't have fingers.
There's some really good jokes out there. Here's one.
Why couldn't the strawberry get to work?
Why?
Because there was a traffic jam.
Oh! That one was so funny. I actually literally cried. Here's one. Gotta love cheese jokes.
Why did the strawberry cross the road? I don't know.
To get to the other side.
Because his mom was in a jam.
Oh, more jam. So,
Okay, so I think that's enough.
that's enough strawberries for our cake now.
Okay, I'll just finish talking.
Finish up that one strawberry.
And then we'll
Make
get
sure-
moving on.
Make sure
They're
all are evenly
all
cooked.
good sizes.
Okay.
Step 1, put a thin layer of Cool Whip on the cake pan.
Okay. So it's thin, so we don't want too much. I think that's good. Maybe. Let's just see how it turns out. So it's a nice thin layer. We don't want any mishaps. We can only do this once, so make it good.
Step 2, add 2 cups of milk. And then add it, and then mix it with the cheesecake pudding. The bag is still in there. This is difficult. Step 2, we're now mixing the milk, 2 cups of milk with the pudding mix. We'll just turn it on here. Step 3, there's 2 cups of milk with the pudding, so now we're gonna add the Cool Whip. All the rest of the Cool Whip, yep.
Try not to lose any.
Try to use every last bit. Yeah.
It can be tricky to balance it sometimes, so just do your best.
Yeah, so I think we're doing pretty well here. We're almost done. I think we are. And here, that was our last little bit.
I got some on the mixer.
Oh.
We're gonna do a layer of graham crackers
And then a layer of Cool Whip and pudding, and then a layer of strawberries.
on top of it. So let's go and do this. So we should start with the graham crackers.
Now I'm gonna make it a little more yummier with some chocolate sauce.
This is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to.
And when I say I like it, you say chocolate sauce. I like it.
There.
I like.
Chocolate sauce.
I
Do you need
like.
more?
Chocolate sauce.
This is our finished product. We're gonna cover it in plastic wrap, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge up to a few hours, maybe even overnight. So let's cover this. These are our final remarks.
Thank you.
Please subscribe. And the recipe is in this description box and
Down below.
down below. And also remember to subscribe if you already did. That's awesome.
And hit that like button down below.